Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kumbi. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So I realized that I forgot to make an intro for this video, so I'm doing it now. I'm standing outside. You can hear these cars, but it's okay. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how I make my ginger shot. I don't own a juicer, so I do it with a blender. So I thought I would show you guys how to do it with a blender. I take ginger shots along with my ACV shots in the morning. I like my ginger shots more than I like my ACV shots, I'll tell y'all that. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how, if you try it, let me know how it goes. I have any other suggestions, please let me know. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you, bye. All right, guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover. It'll be my first one, so let's hope this goes well. So the first things that you need are lemon, your measuring spoons, cayenne pepper, the most important part, ginger, a measuring cup, coconut water, and you will need the storage cups. You also need a lemon squeezer or your hands to squeeze the lemon. And then also a flour sack is really important too. So now you're just gonna take your lemon squeezer or just squeeze your lemon with your hands. Get all of the juices out. I used a whole lemon. So here I put the cayenne pepper, I put 1/8 of cayenne pepper in the lemon juice. I honestly don't suggest you do this. I don't know why I did it, I usually don't. But wait to put your cayenne pepper at the end because you're going to mix it up and it's gonna get stuck on your flour sack. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm taking the coconut water. I use coconut water to make it taste better because when you use regular water, it just tastes, doesn't have like a lot of flavor. So using coconut water kind of gives it flavor and makes it easier to swallow. I poured a cup. I will have all of the measurements and the size of the ingredients that you need in the description bar. So now you're gonna take your blender. You are going to pour your ginger, and then you will pour your lemon juice mixed with your coconut water. And then after you do that, you're going to blend it together. It's taking me a really long time to start blending this stuff. Wow. I like to blend it until like it's not as clumpy. So I would say like blend it for about 1.5 minutes, depending on how much you're trying to make. Then now you're going to pour it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your flour sack and you're going to open the whole sack and place it on top of the measuring cup like that. And once you do that, you're going to pour what you just blended into that cup. And so basically the flour sack is going to separate the little clumps with the actual shot. And then on here, you'll see why I was saying that do not put the cayenne pepper until after you're done, because the cayenne pepper actually got stuck onto the flour sack, and I had to put a little bit more in there. Now I'm just like squeezing it out, getting as much juice I can possibly get. After you do all that, you get your little containers. I have a bunch of different ones. If you guys know where I can get like smaller ones, that'd be great to pour in. I got these two from Michael's. Honestly, I'm just using this for the video's purpose. I don't use these ones all the time. I just use these ones when I'm out of the ones that I actually use. But just go ahead and pour it in there, close it up, sprinkle it with a little bit of cayenne at the top to make it look pretty. And that is how you do it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask down in the comment bar. I do thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing month. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.